January 11th, 2019. We're continuing to lay the foundation for the bunker going into the extension part of the house. And we're going from corner to corner to get a full steady slab of concrete and I-beams. So we make that brighter for you. So there's the old, about a 50-year-old exterior of the house, and we're going to be going out 80 feet in length and 25 feet in width, and there's going to be a 16-foot berm that'll cover the bunker being installed, which is going to be more horizontal than vertical. So the leveling is extremely important. There will be a drain and there will be ports for ventilation. We're getting the rebar out over there on the for the cement to be laid. More to come. Some of the equipment being used. Lots of equipment being used. Lots of equipment.